Welcome to straw. Ever wondered how a tiny change in a drug structure can dramatically alter its effect? Let's explore the fascinating world of phenols and their acidity. Phenols, more acidic than alcohols, are crucial players in drug design. This acidity stems from resonance stabilization, visualized here. See how substituents, like electron withdrawing groups, boost acidity, impacting drug interaction. We'll compare phenol acidity with other compounds, revealing their influence on pharmaceutical properties and pharmacokinetics. Discover how phenols in drugs like estradiol affect receptor binding. This interactive simulation dives deep into resonance, substituent effects, and acidity comparisons, all critical for understanding drug behavior. Explore the tool and unlock the secrets behind drug design. Looking forward to connect with you.